ମୁଁ କ୍ଲାରିଫାଇ କରିଦେଲି, ଠିକ ଅଛି। ଏଇଟା ସରିଲା ପରେ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡକ୍ସନ ରେ କଣ ଲେଖିବୁ ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ କ୍ଲାରିଫାଇ କରିଦେଲି। ଏତେ ଗୁଡାକ ଲେଖିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ, क्योंकि ଏଇ ପେପର ପାଇଁ କମ ସମୟ ଦରକାର, ଠିକ ଅଛି। Now meaning. The expression remedy is a form of relief where the tort is committed, the injury or aggrieved party restore the relief to make good the loss or damage suffered by him. Such a relief or redress is seek through the court to law or otherwise called remedy. It's a basic concept. Introduction कौन लिखिबो हम clarify कर देबे, ठीक है। Remedy are two types. काली हम कौन पढुथिलु कौन पढु काली को पाठ पढुथिलु हम तो काली रो क्लास रे हम कौन पढुथिलु डिफामेशन ऑफ सेटा तो सॉरी एकला तो the kind of remedies. One is judicial remedy, one is extrajudicial remedy. देखो ए ऊपर ही आपण मानकर एग्जाम रे ए ऊपर ही केमति मन रखो आपण जुडिशियल रेमेडी रो मोडी शॉर्टकट देथिली पूर दिन क्लास रे कोन थिला सेटा पूर दिन क्लास रे एनीवन पूर दिन क्लास रे शॉर्टकट बोलथिली मनोज ने बोली गले कोन पढिथिलो पूर दिन क्लास
PAQ MC SP सेटा सर
PAQ MC SP सेटा कान शॉर्टकट सेटा
एक्ट ऑफ डिफेंडेंट
हां एक्ट ऑफ डिफेंस सेटा एटा गुडा बहुत माने एग्जाम रे लिखिबा पे बहुत माने आपण मानको एटा ठीक अछि। देखो एबे जुडिशियल रेमेडी ठीक अछि। जुडिशियल रेमेडी रो तमर शॉर्टकट हैला DCN. Again I'm repeating, DCN plus EOGL. Again I'm repeating, DCN plus EOGL. Plus କାହିଁକି କହୁଛି ମାନେ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ ନ ଆସୁ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ସବୁ ମାନେ ଠିକ ଅଛି। ତ କଣ ଥିଲା ମତେ ରିପିଟ କରନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଥିଲା ଏଟା ରହିଲା ଜୁଡିସିଆଲ ରେମେଡି ଠିକ ଅଛି। ଏବେ କହୁଛି ଫ୍ଲୋ P stand for damages, C stand for contemporaneous, N stand for nominal, PCN, E stand for exemplary, O stand for ordinary. एटी गोटे जिंस लिखि देबे ठीक अछि। ऑर्डिनरी, रियल और सब्सटेंशियल। अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, जो ओ रे थिला ऑर्डिनरी, रियल एंड सब्सटेंशियल। ओ PCN प्लस कोन थिला E O और दुटा कोन थिला GL ठीक अछि। G stand for general or special, L stand for liquidated or unliquidated ठीक अछि। तो देखो गोटे जिंस पता रखो जनरल स्पेशल लिक्विडेटेड अनलिक्विडेटेड GL এটা নরমালি এটা মনে রইছিব जनरल और स्पेशल लिक्विडेटेड और अनलिक्विडेटेड ठीक अछि। तो क्लियर है बुझले ना जा कहू यस सर। तो DCM प्लस EOGL plus ঠিক আছে মানে একা সাଙ୍ଗে এত বড় রইব নাই কই সেমটি भी মনে রাখবে কিংবা আপনি এমটি भी মনে রাখবে DCNEOGL এমটি মনে GL মানে জেনারেল স্পেশাল এল রে কোন ছিল তারপরে এখানে রিপিটিং দেখো এই শর্টকাট মানে আপনারা যদি মনে রাখবে কি আপনারা লিখি পারিবে আগে টোর গুটি বড় শব্দ যদি ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଫର ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ରିମିଡିସ୍ ପଡିଗଲା ମାନେ ଆପଣ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ମାଇଣ୍ଡରେ ରଖି ଦେଇଥିବେ ଆପଣ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ରଫରେ ଲେଖିଦେବେ DCNE plus OEL ରଫରେ ଲେଖିଦେବେ ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଗୋଟେ ପିକ୍ଚର କ୍ଲାସ এটা এটা মানে DCNEOGL এটা কাହାର রিমিডি কোন রিমিডি এটা
Judicial.
There are two type of remedy. One is judicial, other is extrajudicial. Second part is judicial remedy रे आसीबो ठीक अछि injection कोन इंजेक्शन अछि मत कोन
permanent injection, temporary injection.
permanent injection তারপরে
Temporary injection.
টেম্পোরারি ইনজেকশন ফাইন তারপরে আউটটা আমি পড়েছিল সেকশন 2 সেকশন ম্যান্ডেটরি হিলা তারপরে দেখো ইনজেকশন চারটা জিনিস লিখিবে PPMP ହେଲା ଆର ତ ଆପଣ ମାନଙ୍କର ଶର୍ଟକଟ ହେଲା TPMP P stand for temporary P stand for perpetual injection M stand for mandatory P stand for prohibited TPMP তো এটা জেনারেলি মনে রাখજો আপন ইনজেকশন পড়িবে স্যার যেটা ফরম্যাট কনসেপচুয়াল হ্যাঁ permanent is perpetual temporary perpetual mandatory prohibited ঠিক আছে তারপরে আমি এটা জুডিশিয়াল রেমেডি পড়ছি স্পেসিফিক 3 নম্বর হেলা 2 নম্বর হেলা ইনজেকশন 3 নম্বর হেলা স্পেসিফিক রেস্টিটিউশন অফ প্রপার্টি এখানে আমি রিপিট স্পেসিফিক রেস্টিটিউশন অফ প্রপার্টি এটা হলো জুডিশিয়াল এক্সট্রা জুডিশিয়াল হেলা extra judicial remedy la one by one mu hochi re-entry of land recaption of goods first hela re-entry of land second hela recaption of goods third hela abatement of nuisance fourth hela distress damage peasant distress, damage, present. Last will explosion of trespasser. Last will explosion of trespasser. The remedies almost 90% close କରି ଗଲାଣି ଠିକ ଅଛି ତ my suggestion remedy board ଲାଗୁଛି ତ boring part ହେଲା remedy ଆଉ trespass ବାକି ସବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ନିଟିନେସ ଯାହା ଆମେ ପଢିଲୁ ତାପରେ ହ୍ୱାଇଟ ସ୍ଲାଇଡ୍ ପଢିଲୁ ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ମନେ ରହିବ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଏଟା ଟିକେ ବୋର ଲାଗେ ବଟ ଏଟା ସ୍କିପ୍ କରିବନି ଯଦି ଏକ୍ସାମ ରେ ଏଟା ଆସିଗଲେ ମାନେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟଲି ଆପଣ ମାନଙ୍କର ଭଲ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ମାଇନସ ହେଇଯିବ ଠିକ ଅଛି ତ ହାଉ ମେନି କାଇଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଅଫ ରେମିଡି ଆମେ ପଢିଲୁ ଗୋଟେ ଥର ମତେ କହି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଥର ରିପିଟ୍ କରି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କଣ ରେମିଡି
Two kinds, judicial
ଜୁଡିସିଆଲ ରେମିଡି କଣ କଣ ଅଛି ଜୁଡିସିଆଲ ରେମିଡି ମାନେ ଶର୍ଟକଟ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଖାଲି
DCM
or EOGL, TPMP.
ହଁ ତାପରେ ଇନଜେକ୍ସନ ରେ କଣ ଆମର ଶର୍ଟକଟ
TPMP.
TPMP ଠିକ ଅଛି ଇନଜେକ୍ସନ ପରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପଏଣ୍ଟ କହିଥିଲି 3 ନମ୍ବରରେ
specific destination of property.
ତାପରେ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ଜୁଡିସିଆଲ ରେମିଡି ଦେଖ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କଣ ଅଛି ସେଇଟା ମାଇଣ୍ଡରେ ଆସିଲେ ହିଁ ଆପଣ ଲେଖିପାରିବେ ନହେଲେ ଲେଖିପାରିବେ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଏବେ ଜୁଡିସିଆଲ ରେମିଡି ପଡିବ what is judicial remedy can anyone just asking ଯାହା ଆପଣ ବୁଝୁଛନ୍ତି ଯାହା ବି ଆସିକି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଭୁଲ ନ ଅସୁବିଧା what is judicial remedy
A remedy always by court.
yes through the court very good answer judicial remedy are those which the injured party get through court of law by institution and action the wrongdoer. Again I am repeating. Judicial remedies are those which the injured party get through court of law by institution and action against the wrongdoer. Judicial remedy. So DCM ଯୋଉଟା ଥିଲା ଠିକ ଅଛି ମାନେ DCM ନାହିଁ ସେଟା ଆପଣ ମାନେ ହଁ DCM କଲେ D stand for damages ମାନେ damages ର including CMEOGL ଥିଲା ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ବୁଝିଲେ ନା ମୁଁ ଯାହା କହିଲି damages ରୁ including contemporaneous damages nominal damages example ଏଇଟା ତାର including ନା ଆପଣ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖ ମୁଁ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ DCM ଯୋଉଟା କହିଥିଲି D stand for damages damages ମାନେ CMEOGL those are including damages okay तो shortcut ସେଟା ହିଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ତ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟଲି ମୁଁ କହିଲେ କାହିଁକି ମାନେ ଆପଣ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ ହେଇଯିବ D stand for କଣ C stand for
Contemporary.
contemporaneous ঠিক আছে contemporaneous damages are awarded hello shunto when there was no need on a part of plaintiff to bring an action against the defendant. In such a case, the court awarded very low amount. Contemporaneous damages are awarded when there was no need on the part of plaintiff to bring an action against the defendant. In such a case, the court awarded very low amount. बस एतिके लिखिबो and stand for and कोन ଥିଲା shortcut
Nominal.
ଆମେ এটা কোন ক্যাটাগরি অফ ড্যামেজ পড়ুଛୁ কোন ক্যাটাগরি অফ ড্যামেজ
Judicial damage.
nominal damages are awarded by the court when the plaintiff legal right is infringed without any loss or damage. Again I am repeating. Nominal damages are awarded by the court when the plaintiff legal right is infringed without any loss or damage. এটা কোন ইনজুরি আসছে আমি অলরেডি পড়ে দিয়েছি কোন ইনজুরি ডেমনম সাইন না কোন can anyone মানে কোন ক্লিয়ার দেখুন কোন ইনজুরি ডেমনম
Injurious sign.
এটা ইনজুরি সাইন ডেমনম রে আসছে না ডেমনম সাইন ইনজুরি রে আসছে মানে when the plaintiff legal right is infringed. Can anyone injurious sign develop injurious sign develop ର ଅର୍ଥ କଣ injury come on
Legal damages without injury.
injury without damage কোন আর কেস স্টাডি কোন কইলা जम्मू कश्मीर 80 nominal damage खाली गोटे वर्ड लिखि देबे VMC वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ जम्मू कश्मीर ठीक अछि 1900 केते दिला
86.
हां ओके খালি মেনশন করে দেবে, ঠিক আছে? তো নমিনাল ড্যামেজ বুঝলে না নাই?
Yes, sir.
আর তারপরে ই স্ট্যান্ড ফর ফর্মুলা
Exemplary.
Exemplary damage.
exemplary damage are those damage heavy compensation are awarded in case where the injured party has suffered great injury. Again, I'm repeating. Exemplary damage are damages in which heavy compensation are awarded in case where the injured party has suffered a great injury. The amount is excessive with a view to punish the defendant, so to prevent him from committing similar wrong in future. बस इतनी ही आप लोगों को लिखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? अब बस इतनी ही लिखना पड़ेगा। तुम्हारा फिक्सिंग के जम्मू कश्मीर के कितने अवार्ड करा देखला? मालिका मनोज ना नहीं?
50,000.
That's 50,000 is considered as exemplary damage. कुछ दिन ना जाको
Yes.
तापरे ओ stand for formula of
Ordinary, real, or substantial damages.
fine. Ordinary, real and substantive damage are awarded to the plaintiff for injury actually suffered by him. Such damages are awarded in majority of the cases. Again, I'm repeating. Ordinary, real and substantive damages are awarded to the plaintiff for the injury actually suffered by him. Such damages are awarded in majority of the cases. बस इतनी ही लिखिए। तापरे G stand for
General or special damages.
general and special damages. Sometimes tort committed by the defendant may result in damage to the people in general, where general damages are awarded. Where a person in particular, where special damages are awarded. Again, I'm repeating. One in general, one is particular. যদি ড্যামেজটা ବହୁତ ଗୁଡାଏ ପିପୁଲ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ହଉଛି ମାନେ ଇନ ମାସ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡାଏ ସେତେବେଳେ ଜେନେରାଲ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ ଏବାଡା ଗୋଟେ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ପର୍ସନ କୁ ଯଦି ଟୋଟ ହଉଛି ଇଞ୍ଜୁରି ହଉଛି ତ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ ତମର ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜଟା और ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଡ୍ୟାମେଜଟା ଏବାଡା କରାଯିବ ବୁଝିଲେ ନା ନାଇଁ ଏସର नो ବୁଝିଲେ ନା ନାଇଁ
Yes, sir.
simple ଦେଖ sometimes a tort committed by the defendant may result in damage to the people in general ସେତେବେଳେ କୋଉ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜଟା ଦିଆଯିବ
General damage.
damage or but when damage to a person particular person then
Special damage.
Special damage.
L stand for
Liquidated.
Liquidated damages.
liquidated and unliquidated
Unliquidated.
ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ L ସହିତ ସେଟା add କରୁଛୁ so that exam ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ clear ହେଇଯିବ ଠିକ ଅଛି liquidated damage are those remedy which are already determined irrespective of court discretion. Again, I'm repeating. Liquidated damages are those remedy which are already determined irrespective of court discretion. মানে already সেটা তুমি কোর্ট র discretion power ଅଛି. Already discretion এତିକି damage ସେତିକି ଦିଆଯିବ. Liquidated damage. On the other hand, unliquidated damage are those remedy which are determined or fixed by the court, exercise its discretion power. Again, I'm repeating. Unliquidated damage are remedy which are determined or fixed by the court, exercising its discretionary power. For example, Buddha 500 years ago statue 500 years ଗୋଟେ statue 500 ବର୍ଷ ପୂର୍ବ ସେଇଟା କଣ ହେଲା ତମର ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ବଣ୍ଡଟା ଭାଙ୍ଗିଯାଉ 500 ବର୍ଷ ଯୋଉ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତିଟା ଆଉ କଣ ମିଳିପାରିବ ଯୋଉ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ ହେଲା that damage will be considered unliquidated damage ବୁଝିଲେ ନା ନାଇଁ
Yes, sir.
simple example ଏ unliquidated damage ଯେତେବେଳେ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଦେଲା କୋର୍ଟ ତାକୁ ଯେତେ unliquidated damage ମାନେ not fixed କୋର୍ଟ କଣ କରିବେ ତାକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ କହିବେ ତାର ଏକ୍ସରସାଇଜ ଅଫ ଡିସ୍କ୍ରିପସନ କଣ ଡିସ୍କ୍ରିପସନ এটা 500 ବର୍ଷ it is মানে antique type এটাও মিলুনি এটা আপনারা এই কোর্ট দেখি করিবে লিকুইডেটেড ড্যামেজ মানে অলরেডি কোর্টটা ডিসক্রিপশন করিকি তার ড্যামেজটা ডিটারমাইন করে দিবে ঠিক আছে তো লিকুইডেটেড আর আনলিকুইডেটেড ডিফারেন্স কোন লাগলা আপনাদের just asking তুলে দেন অসুবিধা নেই লিকুইডেটেড আর আনলিকুইডেটেড ডিফারেন্স কোন লাগলা
Sir, liquidity, but determine it is not defined. Determine.
लिक्विडेटेड को डिटरमाइन करो लिक्विडेटेड
Conditional power
नहीं এটা भी डिस्कशन पहले लिक्विडेटेड भी डिस्कशन करना अनलिक्विडेटेड भी डिस्कशन करना মানে ডিফারেন্স কোন লাগলা क्यों पड़े
liquidated fixed also तो liquidated fixed है
अपना बॉडी बोलना है देखो liquidated कौन ना already determined irrespective of court discretion already determined on the other hand unliquidated कौन को so exercising his discretionary power then damage will be determined বুঝলে না ভাই
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
already determined কোড আছে
Liquidated.
exercising discretion exercising discretionary power रे determine कोड ଅଛି
Unliquidated.
तो liquidated और unliquidated common power कौन लगेगा common एक भी common से भी common कौन लगेगा just I'm asking
discretionary power
এটা নো করিডর ডিজাইন হল এই কোশ্চেন আনকাউন্টেবল করে তোমার ভাইবারে পড়াবে ବହୁତ ଥର କୌଣସି ଗଲେ ମୋ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ ନେଲେ ସେମାନେ ଭାଇବା ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ଥର ଏଇଟା ପଚରା ଯାଇଛି liquidated or unliquidated ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆପଣ କ୍ଲାରିଫାଇ କରିଦେବେ ବସ୍ ଏଇଠି କମନ କଣ ରହିଲା ଆଉ ଏଇଠି ଡିସ୍କସନ ପାୱାର କେବେ କରିବ ସେଠି କେବେ କରିବ ବୁଝିଲେ ନା ନାଇଁ
Yes, sir. Yes.
ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ପାର୍ଟ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଏଇଠି ପଚାର ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆମେ କୋଉ ରେମେଡି ପଢୁଛୁ
judicial remedy
Judicial.
ଆମର DCN T plus OGL ସରିଗଲା ଠିକ ଅଛି ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ପାର୍ଟ ଜୁଡିସିଆଲ ରେମେଡିର କଣ ଥିଲା
injunction
Injection.
TP.
TP
Injection.
PPM
TPM
MP.
T stand for
temporary
Temporary injection. Temporary.
टेम्पररी इंजेक्शन कोन स्टेज रे दियाजिबो ଆଉ କେବେ ଦିଆଯିବ anyone
Before the final hearing.
देखो टेम्पररी इंजेक्शन issue provisionally before final hearing to prevent the defendant for commission or continuation of an allegation injury to the plaintiff. Again, I'm repeating. First, देखो, এটা हमें specific relief रो हमें temporary injection हमें पढ़ो. এটা हमें टोट रो पढ़ो. गोटे वार्ड लेके पढ़ो. Specific temporary injection कोड यूज. Anyone? Section? Which section?
Okay.
You will let me know. 37 close one. Close to कोण बोलला?
perpetual injection.
Mandatory injection କୋଉ section ରେ ଅଛି? 39. ଠିକ ଅଛି। T. T stand for
temporary injury,
T ସରିଲା। P stand for P stand for perpetual injection କେତେବେଳେ ଦିଆଯିବ?
after final hearing.
After final hearing.
After
तो
final
ଗୋଟେ word
hearing.
ଲେଖିବ। Very good. After final hearing. तो ଗୋଟେ word ଲେଖିବ। It is issue after the final hearing and determination of the question of the issue between the party. Again I am repeating. Perpetual injection is issued after final hearing to determine the question of issue between the party. TP is over. तापर है ना TP पर कौन होगा? शॉर्टकट में कौन? TP पर
MP.
Mandatory.
Mandatory.
MP. M stands for mandatory. It is an order of the court directing to the defendant to do some positive act. Forty line. It is an order of the court directing a court to do some positive act. M. Again, P stand for
Prohibited injection.
prohibited injection. It is an order of a court restraining the defendant from committing or repeating injurious act which infringe the plaintiff right. Simple line लिखिए prohibited. It is an order of a court restraining the defendant from committing or repeating injurious act which infringe the plaintiff rights. So TPM चलेगा। Clear है ना? Doubt हो जाएगा आपको।
Yes, sir.
उन्होंने पूछा नहीं नहीं क्यों नहीं?
yes sir,
तो क्लास का बोल लो।
No, sir.
तो এটা সিম্পল ଗୋଟେ ওয়ার্ড লিখে দেবে ঠিক আছে। তারপরে আমরা এটা আমরা কোন রেমেডি পড়ছো?
Judicial remedy.
জুডিশিয়াল রেমেডি ফার্স্ট পার্ট সরিলা কোন? ফার্স্ট পার্ট কোন ছিল?
damage,
ড্যামেজ। ফাইন। ভেরি। তারপরে সেকেন্ড পার্ট কোন ছিল?
injection,
ইনজেকশন র শর্ট করে মতে কোন?
TPMP.
তারপরে আউটে জুডিশিয়াল রেমেডি কোন ছিল সেটা?
Specific restitution of property.
Specific restitution of the property. It is specific restitution of the property. It is granted where the plaintiff is wrongfully disposed of his immovable or movable property. It means restoration of the movable or immovable property disposed by the plaintiff from the defendant. Again I am repeating. Simple English. Original बुझाओ पड़ेगा। It is granted where the plaintiff is wrongfully disposed of his immovable or movable property. It means restoration of movable or immovable property disposed by the plaintiff from the defendant. बस ऐसे लिखिए। तो हमारे इधर कोई रेमेडी छोड़ेगा?
Judicial.
जुडिशियल रेमेडी पर हमको रेमेडी दिला?
Extrajudicial remedy.
तो बता कौन व्हाट इज जुडिशियल रेमेडी? जस्ट मेंशन करो जुडिशियल रेमेडी মানে কোন? ওটা বড় করে রিপিট করো।
Judicial remedy are the injured party provides remedy through court of law by executing action against the wrongdoer.
Fine. What is extrajudicial remedy? Extrajudicial remedy অর্থ কোন?
Without filing a suit before the court.
Okay. So extrajudicial remedy are those which injured party can without filing a suit in a court. बस ऐसे। Judicial remedy है ना? মানে party get from the court of law by institution and action মানে সিম্পল ওয়ার্ডে সেটি কোর্ট জীব এটি কোর্ট জীব না ঠিক আছে জুডিশিয়াল রিমেডি ফার্স্ট কোন দিলাম ফার্স্ট কোন বলতে
R. Re-entry of land.
re-entry of land ছোট গোটে লাইনে লিখে দিবেন ঠিক আছে a person who is a wrongful dispose of his land can re-entry it without use of force or violence. Whatever. Again, I repeat it. Re-entry of land means a person who has wrongful dispose of his land can re-entry it without use of force or violence. Second formula. Extra further.
Recaption of goods.
Recaption of goods. The person who has been disposed of his goods or cattle unlawfully can take them by using reasonable force of necessary. Again, I repeat it. A person who has been disposed of his goods or cattle unlawfully can take them by using reasonable force of necessary. Very well. Third one,
Abatement of nuisance.
the injury party, under certain circumstances and subject to certain limitations, has right to remove nuisance. It will be considered as an abatement of nuisance. Again, I repeat it. The injury party, under certain circumstances and subject to certain limitations, has right to remove the nuisance. It will be considered abatement of nuisance. Good word. তারপরে কোন দিলাম
Distress damage agent.
ডিস্ট্রেস অর্থ আপনারা কোন বুঝছেন জাস্ট আই এম আস্কিং আপনারা কোন ডিস্ট্রেস অর্থ কোন বুঝছেন
মানে right to detain করা.
ভেরি গুড পিজেন্ট অর্থ can anyone pigeon অর্থ
জিনিসটা ওটা wrong করা, wrong thing, wrong attempt করা.
ওকে দুইটা জিনিস হইতে হচ্ছে ওটা ডিস্ট্রেস ড্যামেজ পিজেন the term distress means right to detain pigeon means an object which has done a wrong an object which has done a wrong and damage means loss caused to the owner or the occupier. Again, I repeat it. Distress. Distress means right to detain. Pigeon means an object which has done a wrong. Damage means loss caused to the owner or the occupier. যেটা এটা লিখিবে লাইন বাই লাইন লিখিবে that term distress hyphen that term damage hyphen that term pigeon hyphen এমনি লিখলে নি মার্ক মিলিব গোটে তো গোলি কাটি লিখলে মার্ক মিলিব না ঠিক আছে example if a person's cattle enters upon land another without license without permission and spoil the grasses leaves etc. The owner or occupier of the land is entitled to take permission of cattle and return them until unless the loss sustained by him is fully identified by the owner of the cattle. However, the cattle must supply the dead animal with the necessary food and water. Distress damage pigeon অর্থ এটা হবে আপনারা খালি এটা নাম লিখতে হবে what is distress what is damage what is pigeon লিখি that is more than enough এটা লিখলে পড়বে না ওটা কোন খালি আপনি ক্লিয়ারিফাই করে দেবেন তারপর কোন দিলা
Exclusion of trespass.
exclusion of trespass okay exclusion of trespasser অর্থ না এটা না কোন টাইপের প্রপোজাল exclusion of trespasser না the person entered into immediate possession of the land can expel the trespasser by using reasonable force what would like again I am repeating the person entered into immediate possession of land can expel the trespasser by using reasonable force after self-help point self-help add করবে ঠিক আছে self-help অর্থ হলো it is natural right of each and every person to protect his personal property by self-help again I am repeating it is natural right of each and every person to protect his personal property by self-help तो तुम्हारा रेमेडी सगळं एग्जाम केमती लिखे मग समाप्त करू ठीक आहे आपण बुझिले